Good morning, all of you. Today, let us see various digital modulation techniques such as amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, and phase shift keying in this class. These are the digital modulation techniques which we are going to use in the communication systems. Consider any digital data which is in the binary format that encodes the message signal here. And we all know logic 0 is treated as 0 and 1 is treated as logic 1 in digital format. Here, this digital data represents 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. And the carrier signal is, as usual, a sinusoidal waveform that floats between uh, say plus 1 and minus 1 amplitude Vmax and Vmin. In the amplitude shift key, whenever the digital data is 0, amplitude is 0, and whenever the digital data is 1, then amplitude equal to Vc. This is what the amplitude shift key. So whenever the input is 0, binary 0, output is 0. Whenever input is binary 1, output is the carrier signal. This is what the amplitude shift keying. Next one is frequency shift keying. Unlike amplitude shift keying, here we are having two carrier waveforms. One is a high frequency carrier and a low frequency carrier. We can allocate for logic 0, say high frequency signal, and for logic 1, a low frequency signal is considered in this case. Hence, whenever logic 0 is at binary input, we are having high frequency. Whenever logic 1 is there, in the output, we are having low frequency. We can also allocate high frequency for logic 1 and low frequency for logic 0. So, which means simply to differentiate binary 0 and binary 1, we are going to have two carrier signals we can allocate in either way. This one is frequency shift keying modulated waveform. And then phase shift keying, often known as binary PSK, binary phase shift keying. This one, considering same digital data as an input and same carrier waveform. Here, whenever the output is shifting, whenever the binary input is shifting from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, then there is a change in phase shift. Here we can see at this point the binary input is shifting from 0 to 1. The transition is happening from 0 to 1, and hence a phase shift of 180 degrees is seen at this point. Similarly, when the input is shifting from 1 to 0 at this transition point, again one more 180 degrees phase shift has been seen. Likewise, whenever the input is shifting from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, there is 180 degrees phase shift in the output, and hence this modulation technique is called as phase shift keying. So these are the three types of digital modulation techniques: amplitude shift keying, phase shift keying, amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, and phase shift keying. In the next class, there are again types in phase shift keying such as DPSK, differential phase shift keying, and QPSK, quadrature phase shift keying, that we shall see in the next lecture. Thank you.